Nature has a calming and healing effect on our mind and body. Spending time in nature helps reduce stress, improves focus, and increases creativity. Try to notice the beauty around you: trees, sunlight, birds, or the sky. Even small moments like a walk in the park or breathing fresh air can refresh your mind and energy. Nature also teaches patience, balance, and harmony. Practice connecting with nature daily, and you will feel calmer, happier, and more inspired. Remember, nature is a powerful source of peace and growth.